First, approach her. If you see a girl standing or walking, you must approach her. Follow the 4-second rule. First, count 1, 2, 3, 4, and then approach her immediately. Approach a girl standing or walking in the street, and then just say hi. The first rule is approach her immediately. Number 2 is eye contact. When you eye contact a girl, you must look into her eyes, and then don't look like staring her like a creepy guy. Just look into her eyes in 2 to 3 seconds, and then look away, and then back to her eyes again. So don't look like a creepy guy just staring at her while talking. It's just very important to have eye contact. It reflects your self-confidence. You have a big chance of getting her. Number 3 is smile. It's very important to smile at a girl while talking to her or first meeting her or first approach. You must smile at a girl, because it is very important to smile, to feel safe about a girl while talking to her. Who wants to talk to a person like you didn't smile or not smile, or angry face or sad face? Doesn't. It's very important to smile. That's 3. Number 3, smile while talking to a girl. It's very important. Just don't smile like you look like smile like natural smile. That's number 3. Smile home. Number 4 is talk while you done 1, 2, 3 that I said earlier. Then the 4th is talk. While meeting a girl or a woman, you must talk to her. The good topic that you want to talk to her while you approach her is just say hi. Simple hi. It means very big points to a girl. Just say hi, or talk to her where she from, and then just say about her. Ask about anything about her. Don't talk to yourself about yourself. Good topics to a girl while meeting is topic about her clothes, about what she's wearing, or anything about what she's going on, where she's going. That's very important. Asking about her. It's a good topic that you want to have a girl to just a great conversation about her. Ask about her anything. Okay, thank you.